Hey guys, want to know how to apply for interns and jobs in GeeksforGeeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply open up your GeeksforGeeks.org application, and once you're there, make sure you're logged in as well. Now, right here on the top, you can see something known as contests. Just simply hover on it, and right here you can see GFC Weekly or Jobathon Hiring Challenge. You can choose any one of these. First up, I'll go for Jobathon. So right here, you can see various options like this is a hiring challenge. So you can see its overview and its guidelines as well. So you can just apply for the guidelines and it says on the 21st of every month. So you need to wait the 21st day of every month for this. And next thing you can also do is head towards contest again and then select GFG Weekly. Now right here, you can see monthly and overall. Now you can also see upcoming events just like this. So this is 25th May and on 1st June as well. So you can also see some past events and some instructions on how to do it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. If you follow the steps correctly, you will be landing an internship or a job as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.